love it. It's really flexible. Don't mind me, I got something in my mouth. You can take really tight spaces. Let's see how it works. Okay. And my dog always barks. I was pretty quiet. He didn't even bark at it. It was super easy to put together too. I'm a little stupid, so I thought I'm trying to put this into that and put it to that, but this is still in here. I think same thing. You could keep it on like that if you really wanted to, or just do a handheld. And I wanted to get a handheld too, so I like how it's 2-in-1. It's got a lot of power. It was a little hard to get on, but I did it. And this is really easy too. The directions are really simple. And the best part, it was only $30. That's a steal right there. It only came with a few pieces, easy to put together, and I'm not good at putting stuff together at all. I really love this. And look at that little spot. I just moved into this house. Look at all that. Like it? It's dog approved.
Okay, so I want to do a video to show you how much I just opened up the Eureka thing and how much I vacuumed just around my kitchen and the front entrance. As you can tell, it's a lot. So you wouldn't believe how much dust and hair and stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Ugh, disgusting. Oh, disgusting. Look at that. All of that. Just from the kitchen and my doorway, which is where the majority of it, because all the tree shrubs and stuff that your shoes pick up. Look at that. That's disgusting. Can you see that? Disgusting. So, disgusting how much that came out. And then I'm gonna rinse it and get rid of all of that disgusting hair, dust, and stuff. So let's see. Yeah, there you go. Right down the garbage disposal. The nastiness. See if I can clean this sucker out. Okay, so there's some stuff in here, if you can see it. I'm gonna try to clean that out or wash it out. Oh yeah. I'm not doing a great job because this is my first time doing something like this, but I wanted you to see.
Okay, I just unpacked her, got her put together, plugged her in, and gonna take her for her first spin. So you can see my house is all tile and area rugs is all I have. So that's why I got this particular unit because I don't need a heavy duty vacuum. So far I can tell you it is light as a feather. I mean, it is like lifting air, which is nice. And I can also tell you the cord is super, super long. So I figure I can do probably at least 2 rooms on this cord. So let's get her started. Oh, that's not the on button. That's the button to remove the stem and just use it as the handheld. So let me hit the on button. Let's get it to stand up straight. Ooh, wow. Okay, that sounds more powerful than I expected. So here we go. So this carpet I'm vacuuming is for an area rug. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, I can see. This is actually the first time I'm vacuuming this carpet ever. Relatively new. And it's kind of high pile for area rug. So anyway, I'm going to vacuum and you see the before and I'll post what it looks like afterwards and how it did.
vacuum cleaner worked well for about a month, and then this happened. It no longer stays together.